Hey everybody, it's Pam, and I wanted to make this quick video here to show you a project that I have available. I am going to be listing this star in my Etsy shop, and you will also get, and you'll see at the end what I'm talking about, furniture nails. I believe that's what they're called. You'll get the star and 5 of the furniture nails. Now, I made a porch leaner that I've never made one before, but you'll see it at the end. I think it turned out really cute. And I'm using this star and the furniture nails. Or they're called furniture pins. They're like if you're restoring furniture and you need to tack fabric onto your chair or couch or whatever. But you'll see them at the end. They're kind of like a brass color, and you just nail them into your star or into your wood. But so this star I'm going to be putting in my Etsy shop in the next day or two. And I just wanted to let y'all know in case y'all wanted to make you a porch leaner. Then you'll have this star to be able to do that with. Now, I painted my star white, and then I used that stain wax that I showed you. I got that from Michael's, and they have this brand. It's Craft Smart. It's Michael's brand, but they also have Art Minds, which I think is like the same thing. So if you see it and it says Art Minds, it's the same thing. And then I'm just kind of making this rustic looking because the whole piece that I made is all rustic. So, you have to, I want it to look uniform. So I got all that done, and now you'll see me, I'm going to put it, this is my porch leaner, and I'm using the glue that I normally use, and it holds really well, but just for a little added assurance, I have some wood glue that I actually got from the Dollar Tree, and believe it or not, it's pretty heavy duty. So you'll see that I am using that as well to glue my star down with. And then I'm just going to tap it on a piece of paper to make sure that there's nothing on there that's going to be seeping out the sides. Just making sure it's center. And these are the little furniture nails I'm talking about. And it just adds a little bit of dimension and something different to add to your star, so it's not so plain looking. And you just hammer it in. Sorry if the camera shakes from the hammering. Today was a first for a lot of different things. I made a porch leaner, which I've never made before. I used a palm sander, which I've never used before. And now I use the stain wax, which I've never used before. And now I'm using furniture nails. So a lot of firsts in this project, but I love it, and I love the way it turned out. So I wanted to share with y'all. But this star, stay tuned. I'll let you know. It will be available in my Etsy shop, so you too can make your own porch leaner. Thanks, guys, for watching.